Hey there. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through my prototype solution Genesis that is created to increase the amount of 3D practices in Sri Lanka and hopefully reduce the lack of 3D printing in Sri Lanka. So there are three main stakeholders in the website. That is the 3D vendor, the 3D designer, and the user or the customer. And I'm going to log in as a user first to show you the functionalities of the user. So this is going to be the landing page you're going to be seeing, and these are the newest products, our blog posts, and the most popular items. So the 3D designs page shows 3D designs that you can purchase. These are pre-made 3D designs by 3D designers of the system. So you can simply purchase these 3D designs and you can filter them by the category. Also, you can like these products. So the 3D products page is similar to this. However, 3D products are added to the system by 3D vendors that are 3D printing shops, and these are also pre-made products that are already available in their shops. So you can add to cart, and you can also filter these products by category and like these products. So upon purchasing products, you can view your cart, and you can click on proceed to checkout, and you can proceed to PayPal, and you can pay. However, the order does get created, but the payments are not processed in the system, and therefore you cannot actually pay through the system. So being a user, you can also view the 3D blog page, and here you can get educated on 3D printing practices, what 3D printing is, how products are made, and everything related to 3D printing, since the local majority is not that educated on 3D printing. So other than that, you can also view your profile, edit your information, you can view your order history, chat with other users, but this is not fully functional yet, and you can also view your notifications. So I kept this for the last as it involves both stakeholders, 3D designer and 3D vendor. And what this page does is you can actually get custom 3D designs and custom 3D products made just the way you want by 3D designers and vendors in the system. So to get a custom 3D design, you must click on this and you must insert the image you want to get designed. So let's just select this as an example. We are going to select the category of the image and we are going to write a small description. And you can click on recommend designers, and the recommend designer function is going to run from the backend, and the most suitable 5 designers are going to be displayed to you according to their performance points and ratings and all those. So Ronald Coleman seems to be the most suitable, so we are going to choose him. We are going to say this as design test, and we are going to send the request to Ronald Coleman. So that's it for the user. So the request has been sent, and now I'm going to switch my browser to Microsoft Bing, and I'm going to log in as a designer. So as you can see, we have logged in as Ronald Coleman, the designer whom we sent the design request to. So in his notifications, you're going to have received the custom design request that we just sent. So you can view it by clicking on view, and you can download the image that was sent to you. You can view who sent it to you, and you can click on accept if you wish to take the order. And upon accepting, you have to send the quotation to the user. So you have to click on the date, and you have to say who this is from and the price you're going to charge for the custom design request. And you download the quotation, and you have to select this quotation and send it to the customer. The quotation is sent, you're going to get this notification saying the quotation has been sent. So now we're going to switch back to the user's account. That is this, and the user is going to get the notification that the design request has been accepted with a quotation. So he can view, he can download the quotation, So as you can see, Ronald has sent a price of 3000, and as the user is okay with 3000, he can click on accept and pay. But if he isn't okay with the 3000 price, he can switch a designer and vendor and send the request again. So for the process, we are going to click on accept, and the quotation has been accepted. So the designer, we're going to switch back to the designer's perspective now, and that is in this account. So when you refresh, you're going to get the notification that the quotation has been accepted. So now the order is in place, or both parties are agreed in an agreement. So the designer simply has to upload the design once he has created the 3D design, the custom 3D design. So we're gonna attach a pre-made STL file, that is a 3D design file, and we're gonna upload it. And the upload has been done. So the design has been uploaded successfully is the notification you're gonna get as a designer. So now we're gonna switch back to the user's account, and in your notifications you're gonna receive this: your requested design has been uploaded. So you can download your custom 3D design file. It's gonna get downloaded, and you can rate your order, rate your designer if you wish to. You can click on submit, and the rating is added. So other than getting a custom 3D design, you can also get a custom 3D product by clicking on custom product, and the same process is gonna go. However, this is gonna be with a 3D vendor, so I'm gonna switch back for the 3D designer's account and explain the functionalities of the 3D designer. And once we switch back to the vendor, I'm gonna explain how the custom product is gonna work. So logging in as a 3D designer, you're gonna see your account page. You can edit your information, change your photo and your password. That's the account page, and you can view your notifications. As we just explained, this is where you're gonna get all the notifications in the system. And you can view your order history. As you can see, this is the order we just made with the 5-star review. And the chat isn't fully functional, but it is supposed to let you chat with your customers. And the add item is the other main functionality. So this is how items get added to the 3D designs page. So you simply have to choose what design you have created, show a few images of your design, and then let's just put it as a test design, and you have to select the price you're gonna sell this for, provide a small description about it, choose a category, and upload the 3D design file. And the item is added. So I'll show you now from the user's perspective, how this item has been added. As you can see, the octopus test has been added with these photos, and that is how 3D designs work. So that's it for being a 3D designer in this system. You can simply log out of the system, and now I'm going to show you from the perspective of a 3D vendor. Okay, so I'll switch back as a user and show you the functionalities of the 3D vendor via getting the custom product functionality. So getting a custom product means you already have the 3D design with you. You are going to add the 3D design, select what material you want it to be printed, select the size, and click on view recommended vendors, and the vendor recommendation model is going to be running here, and the best 3D vendor according to your category and their performance points and all is going to get selected, the top 5. So 3D Factory seems to be the best one here. So we are going to go with the product name and product test, and we are going to send the request to 3D Factory. So as we have logged in as MakerBot Studio, we are going to sign out, log in as 3D Print Factory. So as you can see, we are now in the 3D Factory account, and we have received the custom product request. So we can click on view, we can download the 3D print file that our user has sent, and we can click on accept. and we have to send the quotation once again. So the price is going to be $3,500 for this, along with the delivery charge, and we have to download the quotation and send it to the user. So it's the same process, however this is with the 3D vendor, while that was with the 3D designer. So we're going to switch back to the user's account now, and the user has the quotation. He can view, download the quotation. As you can see, it's 3,500, and accept and pay, and the quotation gets sent to the vendor. And now the only difference in this part is the quotation has been accepted. So once the item has been printed and the item has been put on to delivery, the vendor must click on finish, and this is how the order status gets updated for finish. And however, it is inconvenient as the designer could maybe not send the design into delivery. So upon customer getting the product to his hand, he is gonna have to click on finish order, and that's how Genesis is gonna know that the customer has received this product in his hand. So he can click on rate and rate this order, and click on submit, and the rating is gonna be added and the order is settled. So that's how you are gonna get a custom 3D design, 3D product from a 3D vendor. So to explain the functionalities of a 3D vendor, this is your account. Once again, you can edit your information here with your points and your rating. That's how you get recommended. And you can view your order history. That's the item we just purchased. You can view your notifications like we explained. And the chat isn't fully functional. However, you're supposed to chat with other 3D designers and customers, and you can add an item here that is a actual 3D item. So for this, we are gonna click on this as an example, and let's say for an example this, and the price is going to be 300, and you have to click what category this is and the available materials to print it. Click on save, and this item gets added through the 3D products page. As I said, 3D products are added by 3D vendors to the system. So that's it. Being a 3D designer, 3D vendor in the system, I will now sign out and show you the functionalities of the admin. So being the admin is simple. You can get all the analytics of the system, that is the number of total custom orders and the number of total items, and you can see the number of vendors and designers and users. These are custom order requests that haven't been completed, and as you can see, these are the total number of orders that have been happening. Last month has been 7, this month it is 5. Other than that, you can also view all the members in the system, all the designers and vendors and users, and you can chat with all members. However, this isn't fully functional. And you can manage the blog content, you can edit and all the information in the blog, you can add new blog content, and you can also view your profile page and edit your information and your profile photo if you want to. So that's it for the prototype solution. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you understood all the functionalities of the system. Thank you.